my Honda S2000. Selling the Evo.
Bloopers! Well, the deal is done. Kenny's new car.
Very exciting time.
Yeah. Hey, guys, come back. Boosted. Here it is.
Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome to my Honda S2000.
Yeah.
But it's not about the S2000 today. Very exciting times. Anyone that knows Kenny knows that he doesn't waste time, so no sooner than selling the Evo. Well, the best way to get over something like that is to replace it. So, where are we going?
Well, we're off to go and look at the potential replacement. I'm not saying where, because people might obviously know this car. Yeah, basically, we are doing a track build series. So yeah, that's all I'm saying.
Yes. So yeah, not going to give too much away. So we're on our way now. We're going to have a look around the car. If it is what it is, then if we're going and taking it home, then you'll see this video. So we'll catch up with you when we're there.
So the deal is done. Test driven it. Well, yeah, you've bought it.
Well, as you can see, it's a different day.
Yeah, we completely ran out of daylight, as we tend to do.
Yes.
But, well, let's get stuck into it.
Yeah.
So, here it is. Hey, very dramatic. Here's Kenny's new car.
Yeah.
Hey, guys, come back. Nah. So, here it is. First of all, what is it?
It's a 2002 Honda Civic Type R EP3.
Okay, so, well, run us through the mods. There's obviously a reason you bought it.
Yes, there is. Do you want me to do the mods first?
Yeah, run through the mods.
Right, as far as I know, because I haven't got my list in front of me and I haven't double checked it. It's got a solid fab big bore manifold and solid fab 3-inch exhaust system.
Yes.
440cc injectors.
Oh.
Skunk 2 throttle body. Skunk 2 cams. Skunk 2
head
valve springs. Yep. The retainers are also Skunk 2. It's had a lot of head work.
Someone just threw a Skunk 2 catalogue.
Yeah, basically. Yeah, and obviously pot and polished.
So this is a very controversial point because this Civic was dynoed at 282 brake horsepower, which is ridiculous. Yeah, still NE.
Yeah, and a lot of people were saying there's no way.
Yeah.
He took it to a few different dynos and it dynoed over 280 every single time.
Yep.
And we've got the sheets to prove it.
Yes. So, well, let's we'll have a quick look around it. Pop the bonnet. Let's have a look.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood, man.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
okay.
I didn't see that. Ooh, boosted.
Ooh.
I can't believe I missed that.
That's right, we'll catch him in a minute.
Ooh, yeah. Fight and talk. So, yeah, so here it is. So, as you can see on the outside, it's a bit of a sleeper because on the outside...
It's a bit of a shed.
We'll get to that in a minute. But yeah, so we've got, very quickly, it is on NS2Rs at the moment.
It is.
Amazing, solid fab exhaust. I love how these things sound.
It has got to be toned down a little bit.
Yeah, if it was because, well, we'll get to that in a minute,
yes.
But yeah, this is what we're looking at the moment. Just as I said, there's a lot of work that's been done to this thing.
Yeah, it still does need a lot of work though, so...
Yeah, but you knew that buying it.
Yeah, that's right.
Why did you buy this?
Right, the reason I bought this, a lot of people were expecting like a GTR or something.
Yeah, let's clear this up.
Right, that's not for me, do you mean? I love them, don't get me wrong, but they're not very driver focused.
No.
I've always built show cars or other type of cars.
Yep.
I've never built a track car.
Ooh.
So this is the reason. Obviously, Drew's got the MX-5 on the go at the moment. So it's given me a bit of a boot to think, well, I want a piece of this as well. So
I actually inspired Kenny for once.
So that's the exact reason I bought this. This is going to be caged the lot.
Yep.
It's actually booked in for his first mod already. I booked it in the night I picked it up.
For those that know Kenny, I mean, yeah, I think we were either there doing the details, swapping over all the details for the car. He was already booked in for its first major mod.
Which is, shall I say? I think I should.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Because, I was very surprised that all of this work has been done to the engine, but one of the most popular mods hasn't been done, which is?
M Factory Race Diff. LSD, obviously, and a 5.3 final drive. It's booked into One Day Motorsport. So they're going to be doing all the work on
But
the
that
gearbox.
apparently transforms how the car handles. It's got plenty of power now going through the front wheels, but it's going to be a bit of a tricky one putting it down.
Definitely.
So let's go for a little drive.
Let's go.
We will probably do a first drive video, but I think we've got to at least give them a little, give them a little taste of what it's like.
Let's give it a squirt.
Squirt. First proper hoon then? What do you know what, that honestly really put a smile on my face.
Yeah, it's really, really, really good fun. It's hard to portray over there. The brakes are a bit scary at the moment, so I was trying to take it a little bit easy with them. But yeah, just for pure fun. We had you could feel the G change as we drove over that ridge, and oh man.
But it's something about hearing it and feeling it scream at like 9,000 RPM. That's just put a smile on my face.
It just feels unnatural though, because you want to shift.
Yeah.
Like don't shift.
Don't do it.
You hear the limiter then, and it's like no, you know.
I was hoping you were going to hit the limit, and you did.
Yes.
We've got to reteach him. Coming from an Evo, we're nowhere near the limiter, but on this, yeah, you've got to learn how to bash the limiter.
This is why I bought it.
Yeah.
So this is Kenny's new car, and you've got a challenge on your hand, because these, let's face it, these cars have been done to death.
They have, yes.
But so you've got a challenge on your hands to make it different. So obviously this is Accelerate's new track build project with a difference.
Yeah, well, we're going to put our twist on it. Yes, we know the paintwork is shocking on it at the moment, so before anyone's like,
we know.
It's probably going to get painted. No, I wasn't planning on doing it, but it's me.
It looks like it is, yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, we're going to try and make it different. We're going to make it the Accelerate way. Big plans for this.
Yep.
The thing I was going to mention though is we want you guys involved in this build.
This is where it gets fun.
Yeah, so we're going to need graphics designed.
Basically, we want your guys' input on how this car gets modified.
Yeah.
Colours, graphics, things like that.
Yeah, colours on the cage, the wheels, etc, etc. We want your input. Now, we don't want nothing like penises everywhere, because we still need a professional.
Yes.
It's represent and Accelerate.
Yes.
So
we will be putting, don't forget to follow the social medias, the Instagram, Facebook, and obviously the videos as well we will mention, but we will be doing polls, which is probably going to be interesting. Who knows what it's going to turn out like, but that's the point. If you guys want to have fun with it, hit us with some ideas.
Let's do it.
But I think we'll leave it for that for now. We will do a separate video with a proper first drive and getting me my first drive, because I haven't had a go of it yet. So yeah, I think we'll leave it there for today. As always, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.
Bloopers!
I can't remember what I was going to say.
No, I know.
So this is Kenny. I've did it again. My God. What the f is wrong with me?
I don't know.
Damn it!
F***ing rookie. I'm gonna f mine up.
I'm happy. I'm fine.
Sure, okay, no.
Yeah.